Hello, welcome to We Trade Bitcoin by Tuniverse. For today's video, you might hear some high-pitched sound together with my voice because today I don't know why around my house there are crickets very loud. They made a lot of like high-pitched sound all the time. So sorry for that. Today we're going to talk about the prediction, the analysis, and it will be a lot of connections from the previous video. If you are here for the first time, I recommend you to go back and watch my video, the previous video, and maybe go back into another one. Yeah, 2 days, I think around 2 days should be okay. So you can get better picture what we are looking for and what is the situation here. So because I don't want to repeat, there are some of the information that will be benefit for you. Please go back into previous video. So today I am going to talk about daily chart and weekly chart. I will focus on this one, and then we are waiting for trend change, and this is the price. This is the price. Let me zoom in. This is the price that I told you about this level in this gray zone. This will be my war zone here and below. This is my war zone. I will buy here. I will explain you why I am buying at this level. So first, today candle they are not finished. We have to wait, and then we are not going to talk about it right now. We see it came back down, came back up. So every time when price come below this war zone, right, we expected to see pushback, long wick, pushback like this. So I assume this could be a bottom or the level that people are waiting to buy here. So in this case, you can go back to my video and looking into it. And then what important thing is this? What important thing is this? And let me zoom into this. What do you see in here? Do you spot something very interesting in this chart? Yes. The day before we have this candle. This candle, if you are a price action trader, this candle tell you a lot of information. Let me show you website from Investopedia. This candle called Doji. What Doji mean? Doji, a candlestick formed when a security or crypto open and close are virtually equal for the given time period and generally signal a reversal pattern. Okay, Doji look like this. We have three different doji in the detail. We have a gravestone doji, which is low price and then open and push down, or open and close at the same price, or open and pull down and then close up above. Three of these doji you indicate trend change, right? So come back to the chart. We have doji here. We can assume trend change, trend about to change. It could be down, it could be up. So anytime when doji happens, so okay, let's zoom out and find when was the last time we had doji here. Okay, now I found it. I see it. This is two double doji here, and then trend going down, sideways, going down, right? This is a doji. Anytime when we find doji, trend about to change. So the question is, what direction it will go? It will go up, it will go down. Doji and this candle, the price could come back up here, or it should be here. It could be here. What do you think? Do you think it's go up or you think it's go down? Please comment on this video. What do you see in this price? So let's share what do you think about it. So I need to have some more information about it. I will zoom out to weekly candle to see a bigger picture. Sometimes when you zoom out to see the bigger picture and you can have some more information about it. So what we have here, in previous week, last week, we see another information. This is very interesting. This is not a doji because you can see a small body here. This is called hanging man or hammer or shooting star or something like that. Three of these hammer, hanging man, and shooting star also indicate trend change. Okay, let me show you about information from Investopedia again. Understanding of the hanging man candlestick pattern. The hanging man refer to the candle shape that what's the appearance of this pattern refer the hanging man represent potential reversal in an uptrend, right? And then what is a hanging man look like? Hanging man look like this. Hanging man look like a hammer, right? So it can be reversal handle, can be look like this. So remember this candle and look at this candle, right? Is it look like it? Is it look like a hanging man? Possible, right? So let's find out when the hanging man and shooting star and hammer happen. This is shooting star. This is shooting star, trend change, downtrend, hanging man, price go back up, shooting star, downtrend, right? So trend about to change. Now we have the information that tell us from this weekly candle that we can assume trend about to change into some ways, right? So in this case, if you trade Bitcoin, I always talk about the strategy that you need to have a system. What system will tell you this is a time you should buy, or it can be a time you should sell. In my case, for me, this is not a financial advice. For me, I'm looking at this level as a sideways, 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 right? So sideways and waiting for trend change. For me, I have a bias of trend change to this direction. Why? I have it in the previous video. Please take a look. But by the way, it doesn't mean the price will go back up like this. It's not gonna happen. It could, but you never know, right? So before price change, you will see it. You might not see in daily chart time frame. It look like it choppy up and down like this, right? On the top, it just choppy up and down, chop up and down like this. But when you zoom out to weekly charts, you can see clearly that price always leave very long wick down here, wick, double bottom wicks here, triple wicks here. On the top, you also see two of these long wicks, this long wick, right? So you have to be careful. The volatility coming into this level, a huge amount of people want to sell, huge amount of people want to buy, and this is the war zone. I will recommend you to try to be careful about your stop loss. In this case, you can expect the volatility. The price will move much lower or much higher into the range, into this range. So this is for now analysis first thing, trend about to change, can be both side up or down. The second thing that we should be aware is volatility. It can kill both sides, even you in a short or in a long. Make sure you will not get liquidated from I will be aware if we gonna have liquidation event like this and this and this and this, you know, before the price go up, anything can happen. It can kick you out and it go up without you, or it can just pump and then came back down like this, right? So this week, be careful. Don't put your risks too much until we have a clearer trend, and that we can put risks into the trend. But right now, I will have a risk on. I will get into my position because anytime when price come below this level, I'm going to buy because I have my bias about bullish scenario. Price will going back up here. But anyway, we come here into this channel because of we are the trader. We are try not to think like a hodler, you know. I'm also a hodler. I have Bitcoin to spot and I'm hodler for a long time, but we are talking about the strategy, how to use Bitcoin to trade and to get more Bitcoin, how to trade to earn more money that you can buy more Bitcoin in the future. Okay, this is for today. Be careful and hope you have a good day, good week, and see you next video. Thank you.